Facebook shares are soaring in after-hours trade because the company announced solid second quarter earnings. Shares are up nearly 19%. Facebook revealed the numbers just after the closing bell on Wednesday. The social media giant says revenue was $1.8 billion, compared that to last year's report of almost $1.2 billion. Strong mobile ad revenue is being credited for the big increase.
Facebook's earnings per share coming in at 19 cents. That's higher than the 14 cents per share that analysts had been expected, and it's up from 12 cents per share in the year-ago period. Revenue coming in the second quarter at $1.81 billion. That's higher than the $1.62 billion that Wall Street had expected. Also up from $1.18 billion.
It's been just over 1 year since shares of Facebook went public. Back then, its initial public offering, or the IPO, was described as disappointing or even disastrous. But not today. Investors are cheering Facebook's results that came in much stronger than expected. But their focus had been on if and how Facebook has managed to make money out of all of its users. And Wednesday's figures are showing that it's managed to attract many more users and advertisers. But because people are increasingly using their mobile phones to check their Facebook, the company has been aggressively ramping up its mobile business. And the figures show that its advertising revenue from mobile devices, which was practically none at the time of the IPO, now accounts for more than 40% of its overall advertising revenue, which is exactly what investors wanted to hear. But some say let's not celebrate just yet, because even though shares have surged thanks to these strong figures, they're still well below the IPO price of $38. But at least amid growing concerns that Facebook may be losing some of its younger users to its rivals, at least these figures are making their investors happy.